How to open a TikTok shop. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you open a TikTok shop. TikTok Shop provides an exceptional opportunity to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. I encountered difficulties when searching for a comprehensive TikTok shop setup guide online. As a result, in today's video, I'll thoroughly guide you through the entire process of establishing your TikTok shop, covering every aspect from initiation to completion. Upon completion of this video, you will possess a fully operational TikTok seller account, enabling you to seamlessly integrate and link your products to a TikTok account. This will allow you to exhibit your products in your videos, mirroring the prevalent trend on TikTok. Initially, we must access the TikTok Seller Center to commence the setup process. You can find the link in the description or directly visit seller.tiktok.com. Select the relevant reason and click Enter. Subsequently, click on the Sign Up option that is in the bottom. I recommend commencing with a new account rather than utilizing an existing TikTok account, as it offers great flexibility in the future. You can register using your email or a phone number. Following this, specify your business type. If you do not possess a corporation or LLC, opt for individual. It's important to note that you can always modify this later, so there is no need to be fret. Afterwards, you will be required to submit your ID for the verification purposes. Once you have submitted your ID, furnish your address and taxpayer ID, and choose the countries or regions where your TikTok shop will be accessible. Complete the compliance and progress to the subsequent steps. Now, you will need to provide fundamental business information such as your primary product or service and then verify your details. Subsequently, your TikTok shop will undergo a review process, typically completed within 2 hours. During this waiting period, you can explore the TikTok Seller Center where you can manage orders, shipping options, marketing, promotions, ads, campaigns, and analytics. Upon approval of your shop, the final stages entail creating a new TikTok account and linking it to your TikTok seller ID. This is a straightforward process, and once accomplished, you will be fully equipped to exhibit your products on TikTok. To ensure a seamless experience with your TikTok shop, consider utilizing a sourcing agent such as Dropship Agent. They can manage shipping, custom packaging, labeling, and provide package insurance, and ultimately your customer services and experience. If you're interested in their services, you can find more details directly in the website. So this is basically on how can you open a TikTok shop. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching, and I eagerly anticipate our next encounter in the upcoming video.